The desert air crackled with tension. High above, a swarm of drones buzzed, each one a potential harbinger of destruction. But on this day, a new player entered the battlefield. China's Silent Hunter laser weapon system deployed by Saudi Arabia locked onto its targets. Beams of intense light sliced through the sky 13 times in quick succession. The result? 13 smoking piles of scrap metal where enemy drones once flew. The message was clear. The era of laser warfare had arrived. This wasn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It was a real-world demonstration of China's growing military prowess. The successful downing of 13 Houthi rebel drones in a single engagement sent shockwaves through the defense community. For Saudi Arabia, it was a moment of vindication, proving the effectiveness of their investment in Chinese military technology. For the United States, it was a wake-up call, a stark reminder that the global balance of power was shifting. The attack marked a turning point in the ongoing conflict, and more broadly, in the evolution of modern warfare. It underscored the growing threat posed by low-cost, readily available drones, and it showcased a potential solution. Laser weapons, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, were now a battlefield reality. And China, it was becoming increasingly clear, was leading the charge. China's foray into laser technology isn't a recent development. It's a long game, decades in the making. As far back as the 1960s, Chinese scientists, inspired by the theoretical potential of directed energy weapons, embarked on a journey to unlock the secrets of the laser. Under the leadership of Deng Xiaoping, this research gained momentum, fueled by the recognition that laser technology held the key to revolutionizing warfare. Years of dedicated research, often shrouded in secrecy, have yielded impressive results. Today, China stands as a global leader in laser technology, its advancements surpassing even those of the United States. The Silent Hunter, with its proven ability to neutralize aerial threats, is just one example of this technological prowess. It's a testament to China's unwavering commitment to military innovation and a clear signal of its ambition to reshape the global order. The implications of China's laser dominance are far-reaching. It signifies a shift in the balance of power, challenging the United States' long-held technological superiority. This shift has profound consequences for global security, regional stability, and the future of warfare itself. Lasers, once confined to the pages of science fiction novels and the special effects departments of Hollywood blockbusters, have crossed the threshold into the realm of modern warfare. But what exactly are they, and how do they work? The term laser itself is an acronym: light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. In essence, a laser generates a highly focused beam of light, far more intense and concentrated than ordinary light. This intense beam of light can be weaponized to devastating effect. When directed at a target, the laser's energy is absorbed, rapidly heating the target material and causing it to melt, burn, or even vaporize. The speed of light is, of course, unmatched, making laser weapons effectively instantaneous in their impact. There's no need to calculate projectile trajectories or compensate for wind speed and gravity. You aim, you fire, and the target is hit, all at the speed of light. Now let's delve into the specifics of the so-called drone slayer. This advanced laser weapon system is designed to neutralize unmanned aerial vehicles with pinpoint accuracy. It operates by focusing a high-energy beam onto the target, effectively disabling or destroying it within seconds. The technology behind this system is not just about power, but also precision and control, making it a formidable tool in modern warfare. Traditional missile defense systems are not only expensive but also often less effective against smaller, agile targets like drones. In contrast, laser weapon systems offer a cost-effective solution. Each shot costs only a fraction of a traditional missile, and the virtually unlimited ammunition means they can handle multiple threats without the need for constant resupply. This economic advantage, combined with their precision, has made laser weapons an attractive option for many military forces around the world. Saudi Arabia has recently invested in developing its own laser defense systems to protect its critical infrastructure. These systems are designed to intercept and neutralize incoming threats, such as drones or missiles, before they can cause damage. By deploying these advanced technologies, Saudi Arabia aims to enhance its national security and safeguard its vital assets. This move also reflects a growing trend among nations to adopt laser-based defense solutions as part of their strategic arsenal. The widespread adoption of laser weapon technology carries significant implications for global security. On one hand, it offers a powerful means of defense against emerging threats. On the other, it raises concerns about an arms race, and the potential for these technologies to fall into the wrong hands. As countries continue to develop and deploy laser weapons, the international community must navigate the complex landscape of regulation and control to ensure these technologies are used responsibly and ethically.